Hello friends, how are you all? I hope so all are good and all things are also going good and well. So yesterday we will finish our chapter and so today we will start with the exercise of the chapter. So our chapter name is Getting to Know Plants, NCERT new version and exercise. Yes, our question number first. I am not writing the questions because you all have your books. So please don't waste your time by writing the question. I am just telling you the answers of these questions. Please confirm your questions from your book. I am not writing. Please don't mind this thing because time is so precious and I don't want to waste this time to writing the questions from the book. I am just write the answer for you. Just see. First question. Correct the following statement and rewrite them in your notebook. Correct the following statements and rewrite them in your notebook. First part is stems absorb water and minerals from the soil. Stems absorb water and minerals from the soil. Did stems absorb? No. Stem doesn't absorb any water and mineral from the soil. Roots absorb. Stem wrong, root right. Roots absorb water and mineral from the soil. Stem never absorb anything from the soil. Stem will take from the root and transfer to the part of the plants. So root will absorb water and mineral from the soil. Correct? Second part. Leaves hold the plant upright. Leaves hold the plant upright. Did leaves hold the plant? No. Stem hold the plant upright. So leaves is wrong and stem is right. So leaves is wrong and stem is right. Stem hold the plant upright. Third part. Roots conduct water to the leaves. Roots conduct water to the leaves. Roots conduct water to whole plant, but root firstly conduct water to the stem and then stem will conduct water to the leaves. So here answer is stem, not root. So root is wrong and stem is right. Stem conduct water to the leaves. Stem conduct water to the leaves. Part number 4. The number of petal and sepal in a flower is always equal. No, it may be, it may not be. Okay. The number of petal and sepal in a flower may not be always equal. It may be equal, it may not be equal. So we can't say anything that it should be equal. Okay. If the sepal of a flower are joined together, its petals are also joined together. No. If the sepal of flowers are joined together, its petals are separate and not joined together. Are separate and not joined together. They are not joined. Clear? Next part. Clear? Where the doubt is coming, I am underlining or make the box here. So please mark the correct answer. Don't confuse. And if still there is any confusion, please comment me, ask me. I will clear your all doubts. Next part. If the petal of a flower are joined together, then the pistil is joined to the petal. If petal of flowers are joined together, then the pistil is not necessarily joined to the petal. Is not necessarily joined to the petal. Clear? If petal is of a flower are joined together, then it should not necessary for pistil that it should join to the petal. So, pistil is not necessarily joined to the petal. Question number first clear to all of you? Now question number second. Draw a leaf, taproot and flower. Draw a leaf, taproot and flower. Clear? Yes. Leaf. First is leaf. These are the veins. This is the midrib. Clear? This is the taproot and this is flower. You can draw any flower, your favorite flower, anything, but make the diagram should be neat, clean, properly. And if you can, then mention the part of the flowers, taproot, and part of the leaves. If you draw any flower or you can say any diagram in science, please mention the part of the diagram if you know. Don't write the wrong name. If don't know anything, don't write. But if you know correct name, then please mention the name like in the leaf, veins, midrib. Tap, there is no part in the taproot. In flower, I'm just drawing a simple flower. You can also do this. So yes, question number first and question number second. Is there any doubt? No. So come to the question number third. Yes, question number third now. Can you find a plant in your house or your neighborhood which has a long but weak stem? Write its name. In which category would you classify it? Yes. In which category you will classify it? Yes. The plant is, yes, there is a plant which has the weak stem but has a long stem. Yes, that plant is Loki, or you can say guard. Loki, or you can say guard plant. It needs support and it is a climber. Loki, I don't think so anyone like Loki vegetable. I also don't like. So yes, but read this thing. It is very important. Loki plant, it is a climber and it needs support. Okay. So the plant which has weak stem but has long stem example is Loki. So question number 4. What is the function of a stem in a plant? Functions of stem I will explain you in last video also. But yes, again I am writing the answer. Give support to the plant, conduct water and mineral from roots to the leaves. This sign implies to the. From roots to the leaves. Conduct water and mineral from roots to the leaves. Conduct food from leaves to the other part of the plant. Yes, stem will take water and mineral from the roots and provide to the leaves, and then leaves will prepare food, and then also stem conduct food from leaves to the other part of the plant. So you can say stem is our postman. Stem is the postman of the plant. So it will always conduct this thing from this and this thing from that. Okay. Yes. Question number 5 now. Which of the following leaves has reticulate venation? Example options are there: wheat, tulsi, maize, grass, coriander, china rose. So answer is tulsi, coriander, china rose. Only these three have reticulate venation. Only these three have the reticulate venation. Yes. Question number 6. If a plant has fibrous root, what type of venation do its leaves likely to have? If they have the reticulate venation, then it should be parallel. Question number 7. If a plant has leaf with reticulate venation, the kind of root will it have? Then the reticulate venation have the taproot. That's why coriander and tulsi are the example of reticulate venation. I am not explaining this thing here because I am waiting for this question. When this question comes, I will explain the answer and give the example of this thing. Okay. So tulsi and coriander and china rose have the taproot because they have the reticulate venation. Yes. Question number 8. It is possible for you to recognize the leaves without seeing them. It is possible to recognize the leaves without seeing them. How? Yes. Okay. In your childhood, did you place a coin under the paper and scrub your pencil on that paper, and the coin mark is come on the other side of the paper, and you will tell it is coin of 1 or coin of 2 or coin of 5? Did you did this activity in your childhood? Yes, I am doing so many times. While there is a lecture going on boring lecture, I am taking a coin from our bag and start rubbing our pencil like this. So start rubbing our pencil like this, and there is a print of the coin on my side of the paper, and coin is back side of the paper. So same thing you have to do with the leaves. Yes, by taking an impression of leaf, we will recognize the leaf by taking the impression. This is the impression. This is the short form of impression. So remember, where I am writing IMP, it is impression. By taking an impression of leaf, put paper on leaf, hold the pencil tip sideways and rub it like this on the portion of paper. having leaf below. You get impression of leaf with some line on it, and these lines help us to recognize the type of the leaf. Clear to all of you? Is there any doubt in this question? 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th? 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th. Up to 8 question, all things are clear. If there are any doubt, please tell me. I will clear. So come to the question number 9. Yes, so next is question number 9. Parts of plant, flower. Write the name of parts of flower. We have to write the all parts of the flower. Yesterday I will explain the parts of the flower. So again, give a revision to shuffle, petal, stigma, style. Wait, style is coming 2 times. So style is not here. Shuffle, petal, stigma, style, anther, filament, carpel, or pistil. Okay, these all are the parts of the flower. Clear to all of you? I don't think so. Is there any doubt in this question? So come to the question number 10. Which of the following plants have you seen? Of those that you have seen, which ones have flowers? There are so many examples given in the question, so you have to choose that flowers only. Choose that plants only which give the flowers. Okay. Yes, we have seen all these plants. So the plants which have flowers, I am writing only that part which the plants which have the flowers. Chili, tomato, tulsi, mango, lemon, jamun, guava, pomegranate, papaya, banana. These plants have the flowers on them. Okay. I think so 10 or 12 names are given in the question. So you have to pick out that plants which have the flowers, which give the flowers. Those of that you seen ones have flowers. Those that have the flowers. So I am writing the answer, plant with the flowers only. Please read the question from your book. I am not writing question because I don't want to waste the time. Please don't mind these things. Confirm question from your book. Okay. And I know all of you have the science book. Is there anyone who don't have the book also? Question number 11. Name the part of the plant which produce its food. Name this process. Leaf of green plants produce food. Leaf of green plants produce food, and this is known as photosynthesis. And this process is known as photosynthesis. Why only green plant? Because pigment of green color is known as chlorophyll, and by the chlorophyll only photosynthesis clear. By the presence of chlorophyll, photosynthesis process completed. Question number 12. In which part of flower you likely to find the ovary? Lowermost and swollen part of pistil. Where we find ovary? Lowermost and the swollen part of the pistil. Yesterday I am drawing some like this. Remember? So this is the ovary and this is the swollen part and the lowermost part of the pistil. Clear? Question number 13. Name 2 flowers each with joined and separate sepal. We have to write 2 flowers. Those who have joined sepal and those who have separate sepal. So in joined sepal we have rose and lotus, and in separate sepal we have China rose and mustard flowers. Clear? Our exercise is complete here. Next is question number 14. A puzzle is given. You have to find out the words from this chapter. You have to do it by yourself because I am not writing the whole puzzle here and then we find. Take a lot of time. It is a fun activity for you. You done by yourself. So clear here. Chapter is clear. Exercise is also completed here. Chapter is also completed. If you have any doubt in this chapter, please comment. I will clear your all doubts. There is no problem in clearing your doubts. And please like and subscribe my channel, please. Thank you.